Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to build a website in 5 minutes or less using Watari.co. Watari.co is the easiest website builder that I've found so far. It's very simple, there's no drag and drop, there's no learning curve, there's no generic templates. You literally just tell Watari what you want your site to look like and it will build it for you automatically. Everything is highly customizable, everything is very simple to use. It literally takes like 5 minutes to get your website published and up and running. You want to go to watari.co/web-builder. Next, you want to click sign in. If you don't have an account yet, just click sign up. It's very straightforward. We're going to put in our best email and click sign up. Then you're going to get an email that looks like this. Very simple, just click confirm your email and it'll take you right to the Watari.co dashboard. So depending on when you're watching this video, this page might look a little different, but it's very straightforward. Just click create your first website. Now, one of the coolest features about Watari is that if you have an existing website, or if you want to use a different website as inspiration, you can literally just type in the URL of whatever website you want, and Watari will base your new website on whatever website you put in this box right here. Like say you have a super old website that was built 10 years ago in 2016 and you want to update it, you could literally just type in your URL right here. Watari.co will automatically scrape your old website, get all the information from your old website, and build you a nice, shiny new version. If there's also a website that you like the style of, you can put the URL in here as well, and Watari will base your new website on whatever URL you put in this box. But for the sake of this video, we're going to start from scratch. So first, it's very straightforward. Just type in your business name. We'll do San Francisco Cleaning Company. Click Next. Next, you want to type in your business type. So we're a cleaning service, so we're going to click Cleaning Services. Now let's say you have a website that's not on this list. You can always use the custom website option. So no matter what type of business you have, Watari can make a site for you. But we're going to click Cleaning Services. Next, we're going to pick what style we want for the website. So you can choose from Modern Minimal, Bold and Vibrant, Classic Professional, and Apple Signature or Auto Style. These are all pretty much what they sound like. If you click Bold and Vibrant, it's going to give you a website that's very colorful, very vibrant, very energetic. If you click Classic Professional, it's going to give you a website that looks like the website you'd see for a law firm or something more professional and formal. You can also click Apple Signature, which will style your website with a very corporate glass-like style, like the style that Apple.com uses. But for this video, we're going to go with Auto Style. Auto Style is great because it'll basically make your website in whatever style the AI thinks is best for your particular business, depending on the details that you give it. We're going to click Next. So this is the part where you want to get really detailed. You can give Watari a lot of detail or a little detail, and it will always do its best. But the more detail you give, the better. One really cool thing about this feature as well is that you can type in any Google reviews that you have. So let's say you're a cleaning company in Portland, Oregon, or wherever you're based, and you have several good reviews on Google already. You can put them in here, literally just copy and paste them in this text box right here, and it will include them on your website automatically. But for now, we're just going to say a home cleaning company specializing in eco-friendly cleaning solutions. Family owned and operated since 2019. Now, basically when you fill out this box right here, you want to give it as much detail as you can. But on the next step, we're going to give Watari all of our contact information. So you can actually leave out all of your contact information from this page right here and save it for the next page. But generally, anything you want to show up on your website should go in this box. And next step. Okay, so this is the page where you enter all of the ways that your customers can contact you. So we're going to start from the top. You don't have to fill in each of these. You just have to fill in one. So if you only have a phone number right now, you can just fill in the phone number. If you have a physical location but you don't have an email address, you can just put that. If you have set business hours, you can put that. But for this example, let's start with the email address and we'll go through all of them really quick. Okay, so let's go from top to bottom. So this email address field right here does two things. One, it'll display your email on the website so customers can email you. But also, Watari will automatically create a contact form. So anytime somebody fills out the contact form on your website, whatever they put into that contact form will be sent to the email address that you enter right here. Now, as you can see, you get this little note. All this is saying is that the first time somebody fills out your contact form, you'll get a little confirmation email that confirms that you want to get contact form submissions sent to your email. All you have to do is click Activate Form. So basically, the first time somebody fills out a contact form on your website, you'll get a confirmation email. Just click Activate Email and you'll be good to go. Okay, next is the phone number. This is super straightforward, but just to let you know how flexible Watari is, you can type the phone number in almost any format. So don't worry about formatting it properly because Watari will add dashes automatically. Physical address, this is really cool because whatever physical address you put in here, Watari will automatically embed a Google Maps view of your business location. So it'll show where your business is located on a map so customers can find you more easily. And remember, you don't have to worry about formatting. It'll automatically format it for you. So as you can see, this is very poorly formatted. The capitalization isn't correct or any of that. But Watari will automatically take care of that for you. Business hours, very straightforward. And again, Watari will format this properly, so don't worry about getting the format correct. This is very self-explanatory. If you have another website that you want to link to in the website Watari is about to build, you just put it right here. And this is very simple as well. If you have a Calendly link or any third-party embeddable calendar or booking link, you can just put your embed link right here. For the sake of this example, we're only going to do these options, and then we're going to click Next. Okay, so we're pretty much all done with telling Watari what we want. This page is basically a summary of all the details you entered so that you can confirm before Watari builds your website. So once we're ready to go, we're going to click Build My Website Now. And remember, you can always edit your website afterwards. So if you accidentally made a mistake up here, don't worry about it. You can always go back and edit it. Okay, so now Watari is creating your website. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes at most. And keep in mind that Watari does not use templates. So every single website that's generated by Watari is completely unique to your business. So you have a lot of customizability, a lot of flexibility, and of course, since everything is so customizable, it's going to take about 2 or 3 minutes to make sure that it gets it right. Okay, so as you can see, Watari has completed building the website. What you're going to see on this preview page right here is a full preview of your website. So you can scroll through it, see what Watari built. And as you can see, Watari pays a lot of attention to detail. So if you recall, we told Watari that we're located in San Francisco. So it brought in a picture of San Francisco. If you didn't know, this is the San Francisco skyline. Also, you'll notice that all the colors are green. If we scroll through the website, you'll see that everything has a green theme to it because we told Watari that we're an eco-friendly cleaning company. So it made everything green to be congruent with what we asked for. So you can look through this. If we had put real reviews, they would show up here. And if there's anything you don't like about the website, you can just tell Watari to take it away. You also start out with 10 free edits, which is plenty to make whatever changes that you need. Now let's look here at the top. As you can see, it says Edit Website. this is what we're going to click to make edits to the website, which we'll do in a second. You can also upload images. So let's say you have a picture of your team and you'd rather have those pictures here instead of these stock photos. You can upload those pictures and Watari will intelligently place them on the website. Another cool feature is that you can click this share button right here and it will create a link to share the website with anybody. So if somebody has that link, they just click the link and it will take them right to this preview page. Okay, but we're going to make some edits. So just to demonstrate what Watari can do, let's ask Watari to add another section. So add another section talking about how we value customer service and customer satisfaction. Also, make the website blue instead of green and make the edges sharper and more corporate. Then we'll click Apply Changes. Now Watari will take a second to update your website. Again, this usually only takes 2 or 3 minutes because it's not using templates, so it's actually reading through the whole website and making sure it does exactly what you ask for. Also, one cool thing about Watari is that it's not going to make changes that you didn't ask for. So if you don't ask for something, it won't put it on your website. It doesn't hallucinate. It usually does exactly what you ask it every single time. Okay, now those changes are all done. And as you can see, Watari did exactly what we asked for. It made all the edges sharper. It changed the color theme to blue. And we also asked it to add an extra section, which it did right here. It said our commitment to customer service, which looks great. And one thing I didn't mention earlier that I wanted to mention here is that Watari added a contact form. So this is the contact form Watari automatically includes whenever you include an email. And remember, if there's anything on your website that you want to be on there that Watari didn't make in the first go, just click the Edit Website button and ask it to add anything you want, and it will do it. Also, another cool thing I didn't mention earlier is that since we gave it our address, it embedded this Google Maps view of our business location. Now, this is a fictional business address, but as you can see, this is the city of San Francisco, and this is where that address would be on Google Maps. So it's a very cool feature. It allows customers to find you easily. Now, of course, if you don't want this here, you can easily just ask Watari to take it out, and it will get rid of it. Okay, so I think we've done everything that we want to do. So we're going to click Publish Website. And basically from here, you're pretty much done. But there is one thing that I want to show you at the end of the video, just a little thing that you might want to know about. So we're going to click Publish Website. You're going to fill out this checkout page. It's very reasonably priced, just $35 per month, which is very simple. That gives you 20 monthly edits, so if you want to make any changes to your website, you can easily do that. Also, another cool thing is that the websites are optimized for mobile as well automatically, so Watari automatically optimizes them for phones if anybody's browsing your business on their phone. You can also upgrade to the Pro plan. Really, the main benefit of this is the SEO features. The Pro plan allows you to automatically create blogs for your website and publish them in the click of a button. So you can just boost your SEO literally with the click of a button, and you can publish a new blog article every single week with virtually zero work on your part. So we're going to click Upgrade to Pro Plan, and then we're going to activate the website. Okay, now once you click that, it's going to take you to the payment page. This is a very straightforward payment page. I'm not going to walk through it, but just fill in all your info and then it'll take you to the next step. Okay, and once you fill out the payment info, your website is live. In fact, your website is literally published on the internet immediately at this URL right here. Of course, you can get a custom domain. You simply type in your domain, whatever domain you want right here. Now, if your domain is taken, Watari will tell you, and it will give you alternative options that are available that you can choose from. For example, if we type in google.com, of course that's going to be taken. It tells us google.com is not available, and it gives us some available alternatives that you can use. Also, if you already have a domain, like if you bought a domain with another provider, you can simply click this button and connect it. And Watari will walk you through how to connect your domain step by step. It's very straightforward. Just follow the instructions exactly, and your domain will automatically be connected to your Watari website. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we're just going to skip that for now and go to our dashboard. So as you can see here, we've just created this website. This little card right here shows us all the details we need about the website. And I want to show you some of these options right here. So if you ever need to edit your website, you can click Edit Website. And this feature right here allows you to create blog posts for your website with the click of a button. So just to be clear, there's no writing on your part. It's not an AI agent that writes the blog post for you, but then you have to do a bunch of work to publish it. No, it's literally you just click the Manage Blogs button, tell it if there's any topic or any notes you want to give it, and it'll just make the blog post for you and publish it automatically to the internet for you. In fact, you don't even have to give it any guidance at all if you don't want to. You can literally just press the button, click confirm, and it'll automatically create a blog post that is tailored to your specific business, which will help boost your SEO. Of course, if you haven't connected a domain yet, you can connect a domain here. You can manage your billing, so you can cancel, upgrade, whatever you want to do. And of course, you can delete your website. So that's pretty much it. This is really the easiest way to make a website in 2026, in my opinion. I really have not found any easier options, except for other options that use a template, and they kind of have really bad results because everybody's website ends up looking the same. But Watari.co builds it completely from scratch, which is why I like it, and it's extremely simple. Now that's it for this video. If you have any comments about this software, if you have any questions, if you think I missed anything, please put it in the comments below. I read every single comment and I will respond to you. If you liked the video, give this a like. Also, there's another video on my channel about how to use this blog feature, so go on to my channel if you want to know more about that. And you can also go on my channel to learn about other AI tools that can make your business more money and that can make your life easier in business. That's it for this video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.